Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? My name is Larry Jones, and these are not PJs. This is a sweater. So, hey, let's talk about what's going on. I'm going to make this one brief and to the point. Tomorrow is CPI. The market is scared off. For those of you that don't know, my name is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up with Larry Jones. Like, subscribe, notification bell. So, what's going on? Why is the market selling off today? Well, it was kind of expected. If you can look right now, you could see that the major indices are all negative, right? We can see the Dow at the time of recording this about a half an hour before closing bell on Tuesday. S&P and NASDAQ are both down, okay? So if you have an individual stock is down and you're wondering why, it's because everything is down. Why? There is a fear about what is going to happen on tomorrow's CPI numbers. Okay, CPI, Consumer Price Index. Let's look at this. Indexes fall ahead of inflation data. Tesla gains while Google's new AI chips. So it's just telling you what's going on over the overall market. We're not going to get right into a specific stock because what I'm going to tell you is very important for stocks and crypto. Inflation back in the picture as markets adopt to delay interest rate cuts. So if we have if they're expecting right now for inflation to be a little higher than it was last month, and if the inflation numbers from the CPI tomorrow morning, an hour before opening bell, if they show that inflation is more sticky than expected, then the Fed will delay his rate cuts. Now, I don't know exactly, no one knows exactly what that means for the entire year right now. But if you ask me, 3 rate cuts are off the table, though there are some talking heads that believe that he's still going to do 3 rate cuts. I don't. Right now, 2 at best, and depending on the inflation numbers, 1 to 0. Okay? So we got to look at the numbers and wait and see what the numbers are telling us. So here's what I'm not doing, and this is why I want to get this out. I am not entering into any calls or puts on the Qs and the overall stock market gambling. I'm just not. Sometimes the best trade that you could do is to not trade at all. Hopefully I can get this up in a timely fashion. Having some technical difficulties here. So now if you look here, you will see that what? A sea of red with crypto. A complete sea of red for the day and the hour, okay? You got a few like Mana, which is 1.5, but basically it's a bloodbath. Everything is red. Look at this. This is what I've been saying to people when I say you cannot ignore the stock market just because you're in crypto, right? Bitcoin is down, Ethereum's down, Tether's down, everything is down. You may say, yes, it's because of this reason, it's because of that reason, it's because of this reason. But every time the stock market is in fear, every time the stock market has a major sell-off, so does crypto. Even more this time because of all the institutional buy-in. And so let's be clear about what's happening. Yeah, there's other things that happen, but it's impossible for the market to have a major sell-off. Now, tomorrow, I'm just going to prepare you guys. It could be a major cool off. But if the numbers are not as bad as we think they are, then we could be okay, right? So what I'm going to do is just wait. And if the market does sell off, and I think it's a knee-jerk reaction by overselling, I'm going to use the QQQ for example, right? Let's say the market oversells, and I think, wait, this is way too much based on the data. We won't know until tomorrow. Then I may do a call on the SPY or the QQQs or the NASDAQ, right? So I'm going to wait until it absolutely tanks and then call my way back up, okay? Now, enter at your own risk. I'm just telling you what I may do, or I just may sit it out and see where's a buying opportunity. I got my eye on more Tesla. I got my eye on more Apple. And if they get beat down enough, I'll buy more of those, okay? And so that's what I'm here to tell you. But right now, before the numbers come out, I am not making any moves. Let me know if you are and what you plan on doing. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to come here real shortly and share with you guys what's going on. Let's look at what else is going on. All right. So yeah, there we go. Negative 106. So we're actually trying to climb back a little bit. You guys see that? You know, it goes into oversold territory. I'm just saying this. It's not oversold on the charts. But now we're getting a run back, and it's just the market is just confused, good people. The market doesn't know. This is what I mean. This is knee-jerk reaction. This is the market telling you that it could be a sell-off tomorrow, or it could be an overreaction, okay? Hey, good people, make sure you check out. This is brought to you by Stock Up You. I'm telling you guys, for those of you that already have it, you guys are good with stocks and crypto. Invest in yourself, good people. But mainly the reason I made, that's going to be the top link below. The main reason why I'm just making this after getting my equipment back up is I just want you guys to be prepared. But now, here's what I think about crypto. I think that we shouldn't overreact. Okay, I'm basically not selling anything, and even if my crypto, even if it sells off more, I'm in a position where I'm personally not selling anything. Now, remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but I'm personally not, because I see crypto still in a bullish pattern for this year. So it may take some time, but I'm patient enough. Okay. All right. Good people. We are at 7 minutes or so. All right. I'm going to leave it right there. Good people. This is going to be a short one, right to the point. Love you guys. Make sure you check out the links below in the description. Come join the family so we can all make money even in times of fear. And if you don't know how to short the market, if you don't know how to do puts with options, then make sure you take the class so we can make money whether the market is going up or whether the market is going down. Okay. And so that's what we want to be in a position in because that's what smart money does. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I am going to attempt. I got one fine already, good people. I'm going to attempt to find another way to probably go live with the CPI. Remember, CPI tomorrow morning, an hour before opening bell, and then PPI comes on Wednesday. But the two main data points you want to look at that could cause the biggest threat to the stock market, I believe this quarter, is CPI tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday morning, right? And then a PCE, which comes later this month. I believe it's the 20th, okay? All right. See you guys later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.